Hi, my name is Alicia and this is AliDropship channel. This video is all about products, one of the most important elements of your dropshipping business. Which items should you look for? What should you pay attention to when browsing AliExpress for new products for your store? I will give you 6 practical, easy-to-follow tips on how to find the greatest AliExpress items that are guaranteed to make your buyers happy. Use them for your dropshipping business and watch your profits grow. And just in case you don't know, AliDropship is a special plugin for dropshipping store owners which helps to easily import products and manage orders in dropshipping stores. If you're interested how to make dropshipping easier and spend less money on your site, I recommend you check out this video to learn more. Well then, let's move on to the first tip. The first one might sound quite obvious. Focus on the suppliers who offer a lot of items suitable for your niche. Why? Ideally, you would want your store visitors to buy more than one product from you, and naturally, your clients would expect to receive all the purchase items at once. But what if you have actually imported these products from multiple sellers? In this case, the ordered products will come in several separate packages, which is not really convenient for your clients. Surely, it's better to stick with the sellers who can offer you a wide variety of suitable items. The next thing to consider is customer feedback left by AliExpress buyers. When you're looking through all the positive product reviews on AliExpress, make sure they contain enough true-to-life pictures. All the dropshipping stores I work with are powered by AliDropship plugin, so I always browse AliExpress with AliDropship Google Chrome extension switched on. It changes the interface of AliExpress so that 2 additional menus appear. The one on the left bottom of the page shows all the pictures added by customers who ordered these products from this particular seller. So you can check them out and decide if this product is good for your store or not. Without AliDropship Extension, you can just go to the review section and tick this box, so only reviews with images will be shown. Then you can view the images attached to the reviews. These photos don't simply let you estimate the actual product quality. You should import these pictures along with the client's reviews to your store. They show your customers that someone has already bought this product successfully. It increases your chances to get more incoming orders from interested visitors. With the AliDropship plugin, reviews can be imported automatically to your store at the same time you import products or later on. If you don't have AliDropship plugin, just copy the text and images from the reviews and add them to your store manually. Speaking of product pictures, don't forget to check out the images provided by the AliExpress sellers themselves. In an online store, the picture gallery is the main source of information about the product, so you need to search for the suppliers that post clear, high-quality product pictures with no watermarks. Ideally, these pictures should be taken in a similar style. It will give your website a clean and professional look. Here's another aspect to think about. Before you import products to your store, make sure that the seller can actually deliver them to your client's country. It's a good idea to specify your target country before choosing the AliExpress products. You can do it on AliExpress on the upper menu. The thing is, not all the suppliers are prepared to send their packages to your selected countries, so it's also wise to double-check the delivery information on the seller's account. When importing products, don't forget about your own benefit. The lower the original price is, the better are your chances to set a markup that would make both you and your customer happy. With AliDropship plugin, you can find the most affordable items on AliExpress by using AliDropship Chrome extension. AliDropship Google Chrome extension lets you see if there are identical but less expensive items from other sellers. With its help, you can import the most beneficial products to your store. Without this extension, you can copy keywords from the product title to the search bar on AliExpress to find similar products. The related products block on the bottom of the page also helps. Check if there is a cheaper option, and if shipping times and price are also fine, go for a cheaper product. This way your profit margin will be better. And finally, take care of the product presentation in your store and beyond. Opt for the products that contain video reviews. They don't simply help your visitors learn more about the product, they also let you promote this item on other media channels to achieve better business results. It's great that many AliExpress sellers have started to create videos in square format, which is native for social media. To download this video, you can simply let the video play and then click the right mouse button. Then select Save Video As in the menu that appears. If this method doesn't work, you will need an additional tool to download it. Just search for any web video downloader. This video explains what to take into consideration when you're about to import a product from AliExpress to your dropshipping store. I also recommend watching another video on our channel, the video about how to select the best products to dropship. This video explains what qualities a good dropshipping product should have. To watch it, click the link on the card above or in the description. I will be happy to answer any questions in the comments, so leave them below the video if there is something you'd like to know about dropshipping. You can also suggest your ideas for the next videos. I will read them all carefully and do my best to help you with your burning dropshipping questions. And the last thing I'd like to tell you for now, if you're a total newbie to dropshipping, download the dropshipping guide from our site right now. I hope it will help you to figure out how to start your own online business. So that's it. See you in the next videos. Bye!